In this video, I will show you some good example how to find the time complexity of this program and what is the Q value of this program. So let's see. A program is given. Inside main Q value initialized with 1 and there is a one for loop. Inside for loop I will iterate from 1 to n and every time I is incremented by 10. And inside for loop there is a two more for loops, so there is a one outer for loop and two inner for loop. So in the first inner for loop the j value will go from 1 to n and every time j is doubled with its previous value, and inside the p is incremented. Now you see the second for loop, second for inner loop. Okay, so k value is initialized with 1, it will go up to n every time k is doubled with its previous value, and k and the q value is incremented in this for loop. So let's see. So now you see the outer for loop will run how many times? N by 10, because every time it will increment by 10. So it will the overall time taken by this for loop only is n by 10. Now see the first inner for loop. The inner for loop will go from j equal to 1 to up to n. Every time it's doubled with its previous value. So the time complexity of this program is log n base 2. And now you see the second inner for loop. The k value will go from 1 to p. So the time complexity of this program is log p base 2. And from here you can see the p value will go how many times? Log n base 2. So if you put the p value here, so the overall time complexity of this second inner for loop is log n base 2. So that time complexity of this program is how much? This one n by 10, and in this two log n and log n, which one is bigger? So definitely log n is bigger, so you take the log n. So n by 10 into log n base 2. So overall time complexity is big O of n log n. So the time complexity means where CPU spends more time, or basically the for loops and the loops, for loop, while loop and do while. Now how to find the q value? So the q value, now you see how to find the q value. Q values, the outer for loop you will see how many times it will run. It will run n by 10 times. So it will become n by 10. And now you see the q value will how many times it will run? Log n times. Log n. So it will with log n base 2. So the q value of this program is n log n base 2. So the q value is log n log n, and the time complexity is n log n. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then ask the question in the comment box, and if you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.